I'm back with another unboxing video. My stepmom sent me some stuff. She said that it's from a group of people. So let's go ahead and see what's in there. I'm so excited. So excited. You don't know about it. Okay, let me see. Oh, and it comes with all these gift notes right here. Let's go ahead and read them. The first one says, beautiful, love Auntie Chrissy. The next one says, strong, love Arcel, Mom, Samson, and Solomon. Our dogs. The next one says, courageous, love Auntie Tanya. This is a gift receipt. This one says, blessed, love Auntie Jolie.
I can't do that?
No. This one says, my warrior princess, love Mom. That's another gift receipt. Oh, and this one says, positive, love Nana. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to see what I got going on in here. Okay, let's see. So what is this? Everything is better in pink moisturizing eye masks. Let me get up in here. Look at this. Right there. Moisturizing eye masks. Oh, this is better. This lighting is a little bit better. Okay, what is this? Where's those scissors at? This is so cute. It's just all pink in here. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Look, it's just pink stuff. Okay, let's see. What's this? Oh, this one is really secure. What is this? Slipper socks. Oh, I love this. Let's open this real quick. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. These feel so soft. These feel so soft. Ooh. So soft. Alright, so these are the moisturizing eye masks. So they come like this. Look at that. How cute is that? I can't wait to use this stuff. Okay, what is it? Oh my gosh. If this is a journal, because I have been thinking that I wanted to get a journal and I just have not. Oh, it is. It's a faux leather journal. Oh, let me see. Oh, look at it. Look at how pretty this is. Let's open it. And look, oh, and then it has Bible verses on the bottom of the pages. How cute is this? I love how it has this. Where is it? This right here, so that it knows, I can know what page I'm on. Boom. Oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted and needed. This is so cute. Look at that.
That's pretty.
I know, isn't it? Oh my gosh, thanks. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, what's this? Look at this little guy.
Little guy.
Look.
Why do you have a little guy?
It says emotional mental support mini pickle. I will always be around to let you know you are a big deal. That is so cute. Look.
Thank you.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that little guy. Okay, here we go. This is some lip glowy lip balm. So cute. Everything in here is so cute. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Cool. Oh, it is. Look at this cute pajama set. And I need more pajamas. Yes. So cute. They're so soft. So that's it for box 1. Okay, let's open box 2. Let's see. in here. I'm like, is this a blanket? Let me see. It is a blanket. I'm a blanket lover. You know I'm a blanket lover. I got all kinds of blankets around this house. Look at this. I know, right? Me and you are gonna have to snuggle up under this. Oh, right? I just can't stop smiling. Oh my God, feel it. Feel it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Here, scoot over. Let's get in there. Ooh. Oh my God, this is my favorite thing. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just wish you guys could feel this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. I can't stop saying, oh my gosh. It's like, ooh. Oh, I need to roll myself up in it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, sliding down. So slippery, sliding down. Okay, look. Ooh. Yes, darling. Yes. Look at me. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show Daddy. I love this. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh, thank you. All right, let's go on to the next thing. I love that. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I waited so long to open this stuff. It's been here for like a week. Cause I just been over here cleaning and stuff. I finally got done cleaning today. So I'm so excited that I'm opening this right now. Another pair of pajamas. Yes, how cute. This is exactly it. This is exactly what I needed. Let's see. What's this? Oh, is this some more pajamas? Yes. What is this? Listen, you guys must be in my head because I needed this.
What is that?
This is a jacket. It's a zipping up. It's a zipper jacket. Ooh, hold on. I needed this.
Thin jacket.
Yes. The zipper is stuck. But this right here, we're just gonna act like it works right now. This is what I needed. I just needed like a zip up jacket, bam, with a hood. It's been raining here and there. Bam. Yep, this is what I needed. But what is this? Specialty for, oh my God. Specialty for you, Mayo Clinic.
Mayo?
Mayo. Okay, so a tumbler. I love me some cups. Let's get that there. There we go. What does it say? This tumbler is a hug from me to you. How cute is this? Let's see, let's set that there. Another pair of socks. You cannot have too many cozy socks. You just can't. Okay. Here, J-Dog. Is there another blanket in here? Lavender soy candle, 50 hours burn time. Thank you guys so much. I just can't stop saying thank you. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate everything. Oh my gosh. Sending you a big hug. That's so cute. Oh, what is it on top? Oh, a scented candle, lavender scented candle. Oh yes. Set that there. What else is in here? What is this? Ooh, these are bath bombs. Look, it comes with two. Two bath bombs, rose scented. That's cute. And I'm definitely going to need these because I'm definitely going to be taking a bath at some point. Okay. Ooh, a sleeping mask. Yes. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, a headband. And a sleeping mask. Ooh. Smells like rose. Okay. Ooh. What does it say? Oh, it says, get well soon. Thinking of you. And this is so nice. My favorite color is pink. I love pink. I'm just so excited about all this pink stuff. I just don't even know what to do right now. I just don't even know what to do. Here, take that from me. Thanks. Oh, yes, another throw. I got throws all around. Throws all around this house. Here you go. You can use my throw right now. Isn't it so soft?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, what's next? Okay, let's see. A mastectomy pillow. Oh yes, this is going to be so useful and helpful. We're just sitting around the house. Women say that they feel protected by this. So now I have one for the car, one for the house. This is perfect. Thank you. Okay. What's it? Oh, it's making some noise. Where's the scissors? Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a handbell. Oh my God. Where's the scissors? It's a handbell. Let me see. I want to try it on Gregory right now. Let me see.
That's so extra.
Let's see if it works on Gregory.
Oh, there's two.
He said, cut that shit out. It worked. That is funny. Oh, yes. And I needed this. Oh, yes. I needed this. This bra right here. Here, hold that for a second. Oh, yes. This is exactly it. So I have a black one. Now I have this one. Let's see. Oh, yep. And it comes with this in the center, too. This right here. Yeah, this is sturdy. This is heavy duty. Yep. Oh, yeah. This is giving me some real support. Yep. And then now, last but not least, another pair of pajamas. I was just telling Gregory today too. Oh yes, some shorts. I was just telling Gregory today that I needed some more pajamas and some loose fitting pants. Bam. So this, doing my dance. Leave me alone. All right. That is it. That's it, right? Mm-hmm. That is it. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate it so much. I just don't even know what to say except for thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video, and you guys are going to be seeing me use all this stuff. I just love everything. I just really appreciate it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. You just gonna sit there?
Oh, I have to leave too?
Bye.
Wait, dude.
Ooh, and then it comes with all these gift receipts. What are these?
No, you don't. Why
Are
do you
these
say
gift
ooh
notes?
like that?
What? Okay. I guess
don't say ooh.
Okay.
That's not necessary. Just don't say ooh.